Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's Saturday morning. You know what it's time to do. So what I'll be doing today is the final Christmas theme soap. I do realize this is December the 5th and this will be ready after Christmas, and it just simply doesn't matter. These are given out, so the ones who receive it will love it just the same. So this was a really popular video last year. I'm doing the Fit for a King soap. Last year I did put in some colloidal oats and some heavy whipping cream, neither of which I have now. So I'm doing just my regular. So what we'll be doing is a bottom layer, which is going to be Purple Vibrance. The top layer is going to be blue, which is a combination of Nurture Soap's Climb Blue and Brambleberry's Ultramarine Blue. So I'm going to do the purple layer, put Shimmer Gold Mica-Line on it, like last year. I'm going to pour it nice and smooth, let that sit up. Then I'm going to put the blue layer on top. And then, once again, with that, I'm going to do a mica paint. I'm scenting this with Star Showers. This is always a staple, always will be. It smells good, but it behaves exceptionally well. And it really, really lasts in cold process. So last year, I did just the regular, normal process, just poured half and half. And I got really lucky. I was able to pour the bottom layer really thin, so I had a smooth layer. I was able to let it sit for a good long time and get the top on. But I was lucky because it didn't set up. My batch I was waiting on didn't set up. I don't want to push my luck this year, so I literally have 2 lye batches and 2 oil batches, so I don't have to worry about that this year. So let's set this oil out of the side so nothing happens. Set that lye out of the way. Let's work on the bottom. So once again, Purple Vibrance. This is just oil in the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my color right in. There's no need to disperse it this time because it's just the one color. So I can just go ahead, mix it up, and not worry with it. So let me give this a buzz. Get that beautiful purple mixed in. So good. Now we will pour our lye into here. Get it emulsified, scented, and pour it. Put half the fragrance in. Stir with a real quick buzz. It's holding up well, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it so I can get a nice, really smooth, thin layer on top. Oh, I forgot my cup, and it's dirty. I'm just going to put that right on the counter. Who cares? It's all right. It's for Micah. So we're just going to pour this. Scrape all this goodness out. Actually, that's going to fill the mold. I'm just going to scrape that out later. So just give that a quick shake. It's really, really fluid, so it's going to take it a while to set up. So I will come back in probably 5 minutes or so. See you in a bit. Okay, so now we're fully set up. This can definitely hold the top layer. I went ahead and dusted it with the Mica Gold. You've seen me do that before, and that's not the most exciting thing to watch. So went ahead and did that. So let's get our second layer mixed up. So we will be using a teaspoon of Climb Blue. And and a teaspoon of ultramarine blue. As you can see. So let's give this, I'm just going to cleanse head on the stick blender. Just the oils and the colorant, no lye. So let's give these a buzz and mix them in. Beautiful. And let's put a lye in. And emulsify it. Put the rest of our fragrance in. Give it a quick hit. And let's pour this. While it's still nice and fluid. Now I'm 99.9% confident that this will handle pouring on. I just like to be extra careful. So I am going to put it onto my spatula and let it flood the mold. It's nice and fluid. Okay, I am going to put that into another container to make a small bar of soap for me. That is too thin to do a mica paint, so I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so let's attempt a mica paint. I haven't done one in a long time, but we'll see how this goes. Okay. There we have it. I'll let that sit for a few minutes and give it a spray with some alcohol so that beautiful blue top won't ash over. But yeah, I like that. So that's what I have for today, folks. I will see you tomorrow for the cut. Thanks for watching. Okay, so 12 hours, we're ready to unmold. And anyway, I had a little bit of an issue getting it out, but that's all right. It's still really smooth and slick, nice hard bar. Let's just cut into it and see what we have. And of course, unlike a swirl bar, these will all look the same. But oh, we have a really nice mica line. Very distinct. Very nice mica line. And since the second log is going to look the same, I'll cut it off camera. But yeah, I like these. These are nice. Very, very nice. And just to show you what the final product looks like, this is what's put in the donation box. So here's a bar of soap, wash rag, a card with some scripture on it, and a little 1 ounce travel shampoo. This is what the final bar looks like when it goes out to the public. So anyway, everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you hopefully next week for some more soap. Bye.